Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to continue our discussion of Unit 10 Election Commission of India mentioned in prelims examination syllabus of MPPSC. Okay, so in the last video we discussed about the composition of the Election Commission of India, okay, various articles relating to it, removal of Election Commissioner of India, some facts considered to its history, some important amendments like the 61st amendment which reduced the age, okay, the constitution of the body and its strength, and some facts related to election commission. Okay, so I will link the video in the description. Now continuing the second part of this video. So before beginning the video, please make sure to like, and please can we reach 10 likes for this video, and do not forget to subscribe also. Let's start our discussion. So we have already discussed Article 324. So Article 324 Clause 5, it deals with the removal of Chief Election Commissioner. Okay, this is very important. PSC directly पूछ सकता है which article deals with the removal of Chief Election Commissioner, and it will give you the options Article 323, 324, 325 and 326. So the correct answer will be Article 324. So this clause is not that important, but still you have to remember that Article 324 Clause 5. Okay, and what are the grounds for removal of Chief Election Commissioner? So these are the same grounds which are mentioned in the Constitution for the removal of a Supreme Court judge. Okay, so this is very important और ये भी क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली बनता है. Now another question जो यहाँ बनता है कि कौन सी मेजॉरिटी लगती है to remove a Chief Election Commissioner or a Supreme Court judge for that matter. Okay, so the majority is special majority on grounds, और grounds क्या रहते हैं removal के? proved misbehavior, very important. Okay, proved misbehavior or incapacity. So these are the two grounds on which a chief election commissioner can be removed from his post. And majority किस type की require होती है? So it is the majority of total membership of the house and majority of not less than 2/3 present and voting. So this is the special kind of majority which is required to remove the chief election commissioner from his office. Okay, now moving to the term, that is tenure of the chief election commissioner. So it is prescribed at 6 years or until the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Okay, so this is very important. यहाँ से तो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आया ही था पिछली बार कि उसका चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का टेन्योर पूछा था एमपीपीएससी ने. सो इट इज़ 6 years और अंटिल द एज ऑफ 65 years, whichever is earlier, and this is same for chief election commissioner as well as election commissioner. यहाँ कोई भी फ़र्क नहीं है दोनों में. ओके, मूविंग टू अनदर important thing, any other election or regional commissioner can only be removed on the recommendation of chief election commissioner by the president. Okay, so चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर की रिमूवल तो आपने देख ली कि उसकी प्रोसेस है, प्रूव्ड मिसबिहेवियर और इनकैपेसिटी एंड स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी. बट जो इलेक्शन कमिश्नर और रीजनल कमिश्नर है उनकी रिमूवल तभी होगी व्हेन इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर. ओके, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज़ गिवन असेंट बाय द प्रेसिडेंट. सो ये अपन ने देख लिया. नाउ चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर एंड इलेक्शन कमिश्नर हैव इक्वल पावर्स एंड सैलरीज. सो यहाँ पे सिमिलर है एज अ सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज. ओके, इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं बट आप याद रखो इसको. इन केस ऑफ डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन majority decision is taken. This is also not important. Now this is important that constitution has not debarred the retiring election commissioner from any further appointment by government of India. इसका क्या मतलब है? That when CEC, if he attains the age of 65 or he completes his tenure of 6 years, he can be further appointed in the government of India. Okay, he can be given any post like governor and whatnot. So he is not debarred from further appointment in the government of India. These are the few articles which you have to keep in mind. आप passing reference दे सकते हो क्योंकि कई बार PSC डायरेक्ट आर्टिकल भी पूछता है. So आर्टिकल 325 वन जनरल इलेक्शन रोल, आर्टिकल 326 यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट सफरेज जो है अपने. ओके, एंड डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन इज ऑल्सो मैंशनड एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. यू कैन रीड एज अ पासिंग रेफरेंस. ओके, यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन बनता है, हु डिसाइड्स डिस्प्यूट रिगार्डिंग द डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ मेंबर्स. सो इसका आंसर है प्रेसिडेंट ऑन द ओपिनियन ऑफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर. सो विद दिस वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस सेकेंड वीडियो. in the series of Unit 10 Election Commission of India. Okay, I will be making one such more video for some facts which are very important with respect to prelims examination. Okay, एंड इसके बाहर से क्वेश्चन तो नहीं आने वाला, दैट आई कैन गारंटी. सो इफ़ यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. इट रियली गिव्स मी मोटिवेशन to make such videos. Thank you and see you in the next one.